Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I want to show you how to publish a book and why you might want to publish a book. So first off, I have my library here, and I'm going to go down to the bottom to the share button, and I'm going to choose publish online. Okay, it's going to make me, if I haven't already titled it, it'll make me give my book a title, and I'm going to hit publish. Okay, so once it's been published, it'll come up and ask me if I want to copy the public link to my clipboard, which I do. So I'm going to copy my public link. Okay, so it's copied to my clipboard. Now I'm going to open up a new tab, and I also want to, so when I go to, I'm going to paste this in there, and now I'm going to see my book ready to be read. Okay, so I can flip through my pages and read the book. Now, why this would come in handy is if you would like to share books with parents, if you would like to show them their work at open house, you can publish the book, get the link, and then you can either turn it into a QR code, you can turn it into a shortened link and let them view it that way. So I'm going to go to my profile here because I have some extensions that do that. So I'm going to go in and open up my book. And then I've got some extensions right here. This one turns it into a QR code. I could post those around the room and parents could see them there. Or I can use a shortened link and send that out, or I can post them in my room for people to see the books.